There's funny, there's hilarious, and then there's Van Chu. This multi-talented comedian actor has shared the stage with some of the most notable names in entertainment, including Mary Mary, Kirk Franklin, Ricky Smiley, Life Jennings. While attending Star Kids School of Performing Arts, Van's career began by winning first place with a humorous monologue. Immediately, Van was invited to New York for various club appearances. He played characters such as Deacon Love and features such as All the Women I've Loved, Attack of the Governor, Enemies Among Us, Ghetto Stories, and Lord of the Streets. Multiple appearances on Comic View.
Yourselves a round of applause because truly you guys are a dedicated fan of BET Comic View. On the news, marching for the right to have a gay hurricane. And they got it. Y'all, the hurricane came through and ain't knocked over nothing, just I had a white person inviting me to church one time. It was the way he invited me that made me say no. Talking about, come on in, brother. We got the cross on fire over there. And I went over there and I'd have been like, I ain't know this is what you meant by hanging out, dog. This ain't wrong. This ain't Jesus.
Currently, Van continues.
You are watching Exposure Entertainment Spotlight with my man, Van Chu.
Hi, I'm Paula Cat, and you're watching Exposure Spotlight.
There, I'm Angela Bassett, and you're now watching Exposure Spotlight.
It's the Bishop, T.D. Jakes.